now invite Brian Almeida of Bombay, of St. Stanislaus, and he's going to do a short presentation on CESA Healthcare. Brian.
So I represent the St. Stanislaus Ex-Students Association. The approach for us is we just thought we'll focus on one of our showcase activities that we carry out at St. Stanislaus Education Ex-Students. So it's really about the healthcare for students, and I think Stanislaus is a lot about giving back to teachers and to the institutions. And the teachers is probably the best example that we have. So the intent, the mission really is, providing financial support for the medicals, for teachers and things like that when they're retired as well as the current teachers. So it's for both current as well as retired teachers. Sorry, we'll go back. And what sparked I just spent a moment on this slide. What sparked this whole movement was, I don't know how many of you all know about St. Stanislaus. There was this gentleman called Joe Momkel who was, held that school together for a lot of years in the administration. And every student that had an injury would go to Joe Momkel, to apply band-aids and medicine, and if they were not feeling well. And Joe actually, fell ill and couldn't pay his hospital bills. And I think the movement really, that word got out, and everyone around the world, started contributing to Joe and paid the bill for his hospital expenses. And I think that was a great story. And post that, I think there were a few of the students who felt, this should never happen to any of our staff. And I think that's what sparked the healthcare initiative. So what is the cover? The insurance cover really is any inpatient treatment in hospitals, daycare as well, pre-hospitalization expenses and post-hospitalization expenses. So we cover all of this for our staff, and staff includes teachers and non-teaching staff as well. So we cover the helpers in the school as well registered. Retired teachers. Any teacher who has completed 5 years, and all non-teaching staff. The reason for that 5 years is just to make sure that teachers are there for a period of time to gain the benefit. And it just lends stability to the administration effort. So that's the only reason we put that caveat of 5 years. The age compensation of the group that we covered today. So there's 75% of them above 45 years, 47% are senior citizen, and the eldest member is 92 years old. So that's really about the profile of the teachers and staff that we cover from St. Stanislaus. It's a comprehensive cover. There's no age limit. So like you saw, we have a 92-year-old teacher. No waiting periods. The health insurance is for 1 lakh for every teacher, and it covers all pre-existing diseases from day one. It's a cashless coverage at 2,500 hospitals. So that's about the scheme that we implemented. This is our 5th year of operations of this coverage. So what started as the Joe campaign is now 5 years in running. We've collected over 25 lakhs. The premium paid in these 5 years is 18 lakhs. And we've compensated staff to the tune of about 14 lakhs already. So a lot of staff, the point is a lot of staff have made use of this. They've got the expenses reimbursed. And one point about raising the funds, all it needs is, and this is really the love for the teachers that everyone has and the staff. So what started as a Joe Momkel campaign is every year, 2 months before the expiry of the insurance coverage, we make the announcement and we say that we've got to cover the staff. This is our target for the year, and students all over the world just send checks in. So within a span of 2 weeks, we cover that raising of the funds for we more than cover it, and we're building up a pool of funds that we can depend on in case there's a shortage at any point in time. What we intend to do in the future is that extra pool that we're building up, offer medical test programs, medical camps, and create a long-term corpus so that we don't have to go year in and year out to raise funds at any point in time. The interest of that corpus will fund the coverage of the teachers. So I think that's really about the medical scheme that we have for the teachers. I'll take questions.
Any questions?
Anybody with a question? One brother.
What is the cost of coverage for one teacher?
What is the cost of coverage?
The annual premium that we pay is about 3.5 to 4 lakhs per year, and that
No, he's talking about one teacher.
it's a group policy, so I can't break it down to a single teacher. So it's a group policy. The exact number of teachers, Jerry, you have the 127 teachers, 127 teachers, staff. Between 3.5 to 4 lakhs is what works out annually. These agencies to provide a quote, and we get 3 quotes, and we pick the best, obviously, based on terms, not only on the lowest price, but also on the terms of coverage. So a lot of focus is, given on no pre-existing disease, coverage of age. So we give a lot of weightage to those elements of the coverage. So it's not only the one that comes in with the lowest cost.
Therefore, my return to ask you, because you made that the highest number, the age is 92.
Yeah,
So I was wondering which company is giving this company.
I'll send you the details. I'll send you the details.
We'll take one more question. Anybody else has a question? Okay, thank you very much, Brian. Thank you. Round of applause for Brian and Bella.